Welcome back to my channel. I'm Mo, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my DIY trimming my hair and giving y'all a nice little hair update. First, I'm going to part my hair in half, and then I'm going to part my hair horizontally. Then with that subsection, I'm going to lightly detangle with my wide tooth comb, and then split that same subsection into threes and start to trim, fully detangling with my small tooth comb.
They show up, they show up, they show up. Bitches round really trying to fuck.
You have to make sure the scissors that you're using is for hair. I got mine from my local beauty supply, and it's the brand Goody. I'm also going to be doing a pre-poo, and I'm going to be spraying my hair with aloe vera juice, then going in with my kukui nut oil and my castor oil and twisting my hair up. And I will cut as needed as I'm twisting my hair.
Bitches up in the club on a Wednesday, trying to be somebody's woman crush Wednesday. Niggas hate me now. Bitches trying to have my babies now. I'm not a baby now. Bitch, I'm 18 now. Bitch, I'm 18 now.
This is my last section. I am trimming and putting in a twist. I'm also going to show y'all how much hair I lost. I don't feel as if that's a lot of hair. I honestly feel like I should have cut more, but this part of the video is pretty much done after this twist. And this is how my hair looks after I'm done cutting.
I ain't got no type. No, no. I ain't got no type. Yeah. I ain't got no type. No, no. Bad bitches is the only thing I ever fucking like.
A cold wash. I did do an ACV rinse with aloe vera juice instead of using water. So I used that rinse, and then I went in with this ORS olive oil for natural butter rich co-wash after the cut, and it's fully dry. This is how my hair looks, all the way dry after my cut. My hair feels a lot more manageable, and I can definitely run my fingers through my hair a lot easier ever since my cut now. But right now I'm gonna show y'all I guess you could say like a curly hair routine or a regimen routine. So normally when I'm done with my co-wash, I don't like to layer my hair with like thick products. I only do that on freshly washed hair. Yes, my hair is washed, but it's co-wash, so it's different. Right now I'm about to go in with my LOC method as always, as normal. But yeah, so this is what I'm gonna be using for my leave-in. For my oil of choice, I am gonna be using this Jamaican black castor oil, mango and lime, with vitamins A, D, and E. I do need a thick oil to definitely seal in the moisture. And this is a very big like announcement, I guess I could say, that I do want to let y'all know that I am selling my own pomade. It doesn't have a label yet, and I'm already selling them, but I still need to like have like a lot of finishing touches, like which is like a label and making sure I have like an ingredients list and a directions list on my product. But this is my product, and it's for your hair and your skin, and also your face. As you can see, I don't know if y'all can see that. As you can see, um, I use a lot of this. I use this every single day for my hair. I use this for my face. This is more like a healthy alternative for grease, or like a healthy alternative for like a thick cream, or like a sealant. I normally use my product as a sealant or a styler. In this video, I will be using this as a styler of choice, just to show y'all and give y'all a little take on how my product acts. So those of y'all that may know, since last summer I've got heat damage, and since then I've never trimmed or did anything to my hair. I didn't even color it on the 6-month mark. So I decided to wait to do a trim video for you guys, and it's about to be 2 years post big chop on the 20th of this month. To me, cutting my hair or anything like that never phases me. I can care less. I can cut my hair all the time, whenever. But since then, my curl pattern has changed, and my porosity has changed. I'm no longer low porosity. I'm now like high porosity. Well, yeah, high porosity and normal porosity. Now, when it comes to products now, I very light co-wash, and I'm using an oil and then another like sealant product, which is my product. It is like I use it as a cream or a sealant, depending on how I'm going about it, and this time I use it as a cream. When I fully wash, like shampoo, condition, and then deep condition my hair, I don't use Cantu anymore. Like Cantu definitely is not like my go-to like it used to. I use the new ORS, or I use my Asset Naturals. Those products really give me the ultimate moisture. Like my hair stays moisturized, feels good, and even my ORS what is it? The Manoi oil line. That is what my hair loves as well. Like my hair lays down now. It's not like a fro type of density or texture anymore. No matter what I do to get even it, like it being an afro, it has to fully dry with barely anything in it. Or like, matter of fact, one of my videos that is going to be coming up is my new wash and go routine, and you'll see in that video my hair does not stand up. It definitely lays down now a lot more than normal. I am going to be dyeing my hair again, and it's a new color, so I'm going to have that video posted up for you guys as well. But that's not going to be until like a while. I'm probably not going to dye it as soon as I feel like, or as soon as I want to. That's pretty much it when it comes to my hair. My hair has changed, but I'm working with it and dealing with it, and that's when it comes to natural hair. That's just how it is. It will change, and sometimes it doesn't change. In my case, I got heat damage, so therefore my hair did change. I don't know if my hair is going to revert back to low porosity when all the damage is gone. I did cut my hair, whatever. It doesn't even look like it's my whole head. But I'm not even, like I said, I know for sure that the heat damage did catch the front of my head. My head, like it was nothing. That's the main part that's mainly heat damage, and that needs to be cut all over again. But I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to rock it out because it's not like the texture has went away fully. So my hair texture is still there. My curl pattern is still there. Yeah. With that being said, thank you so much for watching. I hope y'all really enjoyed this video. Please give me a lot of feedbacks and commentary on what y'all like to see and what I should do next. I didn't mention the video, but that's another reason why I use these products is because I'm going to be having my hair wrapped, and this is my bonnet before I use my wrap. So yep, that is all for this video. Hopefully y'all enjoyed, and hopefully I explained everything to the T and y'all understand. I'm just gonna show y'all real quick how I wrap this on my head. But with that being said, thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what else y'all would like to see. This video was highly requested, so I just did it because, you know, why not? And y'all already know I will definitely see y'all next time.
They sure bitches run really